Hi, this is Farhan and welcome to the start of a brand new series of videos on how to make money in the world of cryptocurrencies. I asked this question to my subscribers and not so surprisingly, a lot of you responded very positively and told me yes, I should start making these types of videos. And this was something that I really wanted to do for quite some time. Now, these series of videos, besides my usual ones, these will focus on making money in the world of cryptocurrency, especially since the boom in decentralized finance. Now there are incredibly different ways of making both passive and active incomes for a lot of you. Now, yes, these might not make you a millionaire overnight, but these ways of making money are very good, especially if you're just buying a crypto and holding it. So you will be using your crypto to whether it is staking, whether it's liquidity mining, or a lot of different things. So this is what we'll be focusing on my channel in the coming days and weeks ahead. Now, since this is the start of the video, this is the first episode, we'll start off with something very easy, and that is Binance's savings account. And these are the flexible and locked savings account. So today I'll not only tell you about this, but I will exactly show you on how you can make money with these. All of the videos in this series will have three categories in which you guys can judge on. That is difficulty, risk, and reward. This video, earning interest with Binance's savings account, flexible and locked, it has a difficulty level of low. It is incredibly easy to do. It's only a few clicks. The risk associated with this is also very low. It is almost non-existent. I'll talk more about it in later part of the video. And the reward, since the risk is very low, the reward is also comparatively low. So these things are something you should remind yourself, and these are the three categories which you will see in every video going forward. Binance currently offers two savings account, that is flexible savings and locked savings. Well, starting off with flexible savings, it has 58 different products, 58 different cryptos which you can use to basically earn passive money here. And as you can see, these cryptos, they don't really have a very high percentage yield. So it says here it's a 7-day APY. I should remind you guys that this is not really what you will be getting for 7 days. This is actually what you will be getting for the entire year. I know Binance does this and I kind of find it not that good, but this is the 7-day APY. APY stands for the annual percentage yield. So if you have Bitcoin has about 1.2%, USDT has about 6%, Cardano has 1.4% and more. So if you have any of these cryptos and 58 other cryptos, you can basically deposit into these flexible saving account, and that is it. You will be making passive money from these. So regarding the locked savings, lock saving is, as the name suggests, you have to lock your crypto for a specified duration. We have from 7 days to 90 days. But as the name suggests, because of these are locked savings, they actually offer much higher percentage yield. So if you do for 90 days, for example, for USDT, it offers a 7%, which is much higher than what it offers for the flexible savings account. So let me show you how to do this. It is incredibly easy to do it. So let me show you how to do this. Since I have some Bitcoin in my spot wallet, I can simply go ahead and click transfer. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to tell you, you can do an auto transfer here as well. What this means is every time you get that type of crypto in your spot wallet, it will be automatically transferred into your flexible savings account. So all I have to do is click transfer, and I can click max. It will give me the maximum amount that I can put for my subscription, and it shows me at what date I can start this. And then we have the flexible interest per 1,000, then we have the maximum subscription. Here it shows like the maximum amount of Bitcoin that you can use for this. I mean, 5,000 is a lot. If you have 5,000, congratulations. And then we have the 7-day APY. Again, I should mention that this is not for 7 days. This is actually for 1 year. So for Bitcoin, we only get 1.2%. Then you can also check the Binance savings service agreement. If you guys are interested, read that ahead. And then all you have to do is just click I have read and click transfer, confirmed. And that is it. It was as simple as that. Now, if you want to see how much you have earned so far, all you have to do is scroll up and click on wallet and click earn. So once you do that, it will show you how much you have earned. Since I have just deposited now, it does not show me anything on how much I have earned. But in one of my different accounts, if I go there, I can see here that I have been earning some interest. So for today, it just showed me that I've earned hardly $1, and I've run this this flexible savings on this account for like about 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks, it has generated something like $16 I mean, this is not a lot, but again, this is better than nothing. So I definitely recommend, guys, if you have a specific crypto and if you're not really using it for anything, I highly recommend you to put it into one of these accounts, because this is literally free money that you will be getting. Now, yes, it's not a lot of money, but I think it's definitely better than nothing. Now, if you guys want to take out your money, all you have to do is click the redeem button here, and then there are two options here. One is the fast redemption and another is standard redemption. The difference between these two is the fast redemption is you're going to get your money immediately. It's very quick, while the standard redemption means that it will take some time. It will incur the interest for today and return you with the interest for today. If you do the fast redemption, what it does is you will not get the interest for today. So I mean, if you're not in a hurry, do the standard redemption and simply click confirm and you will get it. Now, as I showed you earlier, there are two accounts in which you can be earning interest with crypto. That is the flexibles and the locked account. Now, the reason you might pick the flexible over the locked account is simply because it has a lot more options. Now, yes, the percentage yields that you will be getting are much lower compared to the locked account, but you have 58, but you can choose from 58 different cryptos out there, so you can have a wide variety. But on the locked account, since you cannot take for a certain time frame from 7 days to 90 days, and there are only 3 cryptos which you can put in that locked account. So decide on what you want, which one do you think would be better for you. A lot of people simply put in the flexible account simply because it is really easy to do so and it is really easy to take out. Regarding the risk aspect of this, there are almost no risk associated with this, especially related to the earning interest part. I mean, there are risks related to the Binance or the overall crypto world, and the Binance somehow decides to shut down your account or Binance steals your money. I don't think they're going to do that, but that can be one of those things. But besides that, there are almost no risk associated with it, and this is why the reward is also kind of low. Now, in the upcoming videos, I will be talking about other methods of making money in crypto world that will be slightly more riskier, but again, those will have a higher percentage yield. So make sure you're subscribed for that. Well, guys, this was the video for today, and this was the start of a new series for me. So I would really appreciate if you guys can comment below telling me the things that I need to improve on, or what more do you want to hear. So I would really appreciate if you guys can comment below. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, as it helps out a lot, and giving this video a like so the YouTube algorithm will recommend you my videos. And as always, I will see you next time.